Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm with a new BMW X7 2023 version with a new multimedia system, and I want to show you how easy it is to connect your iPhone to this new multimedia system through wireless. So first of all, you need your iPhone, and then just go to the Bluetooth. Just open the Bluetooth and then just go to the car. First of all, let me go to the car, let me go into menu, and then you just have to go to all applications and then go all the way up to Apple CarPlay. Once you go to the Apple CarPlay, it will search for devices, and then it will see right here, Dan's iPhone. It find my iPhone, that it's right here, and down here you can also see that it finds BMW 73119, and then all you have to do is just press Dan iPhones and then confirm here. Once you confirm, you have to go here, press this one again. If it's not doing automatically, just wait a few seconds. Here it says use Siri or not. You just press continuing, and then it's connecting to the iPhone. Now it says pair on cover. Wait a second. You will one more time search for device. Need a little bit of time. It should give me a confirmation here, but just wait a second. It has to search for the car again. Come on. Maybe I should do it again. Maybe I should do back here and then go back again, and then Dan's iPhone again, and then confirm, and then continuing, and then just wait to connect it. Now it asks me to pair it. You see, now it appears here. You just press connect it, press allow, and then right now it should work. Yeah, App Store. App not installed. Use an app. You need to ignore this. We don't need that. Use Apple CarPlay. So now you wait for mobile to connect, and it's connected, you see, and then here it asks me allow. So that's all. You mean it's super fast. You don't need a cable, and it is on all the screen. I mean, it shows you all over the screen. It looks gorgeous. I mean, it's the most beautiful screen with Apple CarPlay that I tested until now. And you have all the informations right here. This is the second page, the third page, and it will show you all the application that you have it installed on your phone, included Google Map if you want to use Google Map, and you can somehow move left and right, but the only thing that you cannot do is just plus and minus, but you probably know that. But other than that, you can use it the same as you use the other ones. If you go back, you have all the applications here. You have calendar, music, everything. I mean, it's super cool. Also, you have the map of the phone. If you use the map of the iPhone, you will find it right here, and this is the map of the iPhone. It's really easy. You can use the voice command. You just press it 3 seconds. Navigate to Paris.
Getting directions to Paris, France.
And the great part on the BMW cars on this new multimedia system is the fact that it will show you also on the cockpit. It's not like in other cars where you can see the navigation only on the multimedia system, but in this BMW, new BMWs that comes with this multimedia system screen, you can see it also on the cockpit, so you can see the direction right there on the cockpit, and this is a big plus from my point of view. And with Android it's the same story, and right now you can see you can use voice commands. You can ask like how many degrees are outside.
It's 1 degree outside.
How cool is that? Tell me a few words about BMW X7.
Sorry, I can't show you the results while you're in the car.
Yeah, okay, show me when I'm outside. Anyway, this is it. This is how easy it is. If you want to go back to BMW, you just press BMW. You're back in the menu of the BMW, but you can still see the map on the screen in the front there. So this is quite impressive, and I like that very much. To be honest, I find that this is one of the best integration of Apple CarPlay in a multimedia system these days. So great job, BMW. So with Android is the same story, but I will have a video in the future also with Android. Guys, I hope you enjoyed. I hope the video was useful. If you still have a question, ask me down below. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and see you soon in the next one. Bye guys.